Trubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Katanat Puli Puthi Ubalak Men Rymbui Negasni Habakran Hajingrakhe ke Jubilee Ksiar jong ke Directorate of Educational Research and Training DRT ulaong bakimat ki baga DRT ke don menta kedai bakam don por bat ke sorkaru kam don por kedon ke Supreme Court ruling ke boong baru kino hikai ki deban pas ya katat ulaong hakajla ngi don omduna ya ke arpusan hadu lai pho hajar ngut kino hikai ki baklem don ya katat Kito kiba Thrang ban Bteng ki jing Hikai ki hak ban Pyndep ikatat hapo kini ki arsnam kata hapo ubnai nai lur haja arphanyo ki ban pas ikatat niki hak ban ino ka kam Hikai namar kimlong ki babyang ban Hikai hak skul hatu ke DRT kala ne em ban penlong ki tes na ka benta kini kino Hikai badru na ka benta kito ki bakwa ban Hikai hak niki arsnam ki banwan bad kumno nginle ya kata ulaong ru bakitu ki bala ban tho ikatat ki dei ban yo 100% hak HSSLC bat ki ban pas ya ke DLED na kabenta ki lower primary bat ki wei menta ka ka kamram jongi katanat lagi ni ki bahikai ki ba omdon ya ka 100% ki bomdon ya ke DLED lagi long ki babet ban tho ya katat ulakan tu yu commissioner banekran bat ke NCTE lagi sha ne em ya kani
which you as the DRT have to think about now. You didn't have time, we didn't have time from the government. There is a Supreme Court ruling where all the teachers have to pass PET. At the conservative estimate, we have not less than 25,000-30,000 teachers which don't have PET. And those who want to continue, they have to complete within 2 years. That means by August, before August 30th, September 1st of 2027, the teachers without TET, they have to pass their TET, otherwise they have to leave their job or they are not qualified to teach in the schools. This is a very crucial issue. Why I'm speaking if the Supreme Court does not modify its order in due course of time. But we should not wait. We should not wait for that modification or otherwise order to come. Whether the DRT have the capacity to conduct the TET for those 25,000 in-service teachers and also the aspiring teachers, whether you have in these 2 years and how you will do it. That is a very, very important in this year. And number 2, as we know that to qualify for TET, you have to have 45% in class 12 and you have to have passed DLED or for upper primary also that be it 45% plus DLED or be it as the case may be. Now it is the role of us in education department. Whether those in-service teachers who are not having 45%, those who are not having DLED, because DLED I think 25 years back or 20 years back it has I don't know when do it start and remember exactly. When they are qualified to sit for the TET, that it is our Commissioner Secretary should interact with NCTE that whether they are allowed to sit or not. Because as per NCTE rules, it is 45% plus.